This is a story 100 years in the making. It all began in 1920 when James B. Carter Limited was founded in Winnipeg, Manitoba. The first products off the assembly line were large metal funnels used for pouring oil. It wasn't long before the company pivoted to manufacturing heating products, beginning with frost shields for automobiles. In the 1940s, business took flight as major airlines began installing James B. Carter shields. Meanwhile, in Minneapolis, shortly after World War II, Philip Moses began brokering automotive products under the name Phillips Sales Company. Throughout the 1950s, the company's engine heater line continued to thrive by expanding the product line to include circulation heaters, interior car warmers, battery chargers, and the battery blanket. This was a significant time for Carter as well, as he went on to receive a patent for block heaters, the same heaters that continued to start and warm cars on harsh winter days. The 1970s finally brought the two thriving businesses together when the Bud Company purchased Carter Temro and Phillips Manufacturing. Phillips Temro was born and the company settled into new headquarters in Eden Prairie, Minnesota.
Phillips Temro was fairly small when I first started, and we've expanded tremendously. We're worldwide.
A final company name change occurred in 1997 when Phillips Temro became Phillips Temro Industries and quickly acquired EM Products. Another significant acquisition occurred in 2005 when PTI purchased TrueFlow and committed to the engine cooling business. The company continued to expand internationally by launching operations in China the following year. Fuel and fluid heating products were introduced with the purchase of Arctic Fox in 2013. And auxiliary power units, or APUs, were brought into the fold with the acquisition of Idle-Free Systems out of Madison, Wisconsin. More recently, 2017 brought the acquisition of Wolverine pad heaters. The 2018 acquisition of Carlor Engineering brought the ability to compete in the power gen market while expanding PTI's presence in Europe and Latin America. And just last year with EvoCharge, as vehicle drivetrains continue to evolve. PTI is proud of its innovations, retaining long-term customers, and an engaged, dedicated team of employees.
For a company in this industry, 100 years is an amazing milestone. It's so nice to see a company that achieves that. It just shows you what the leadership is doing. Their goal is there to provide a company with that longevity, with that stability. It's nice to see, especially coming from where I came from. You don't see that commitment to the team, and Phillips Temro does that.
We should all be proud to be a part of the 100-year history of PTI. Over this time, we have made living and working in the coldest climate safe and productive. We've helped people build careers. We've invented new technologies to help our customers build better, more reliable products. That's great, but where are we going? As we know, our markets are changing at an amazing rate. New energy vehicles will be a part of the future of our world. Our global climate is changing. We're developing new products. We are evolving the way we go to market. Together, we will lay a foundation for the future of our great company. So let's take a moment to celebrate what few have accomplished, the 100-year anniversary of Phillips Temro Industries. I thank you all.